Hello, welcome to Dr. Zahir Maths. Dear students, today we are going to learn two very important topics from Calculus 1. Implicit differentiation and related rates. 3.7 is implicit differentiation and 3.8 is related rates. Both the chapters together, I'm going to make it as one video. Many students find these topics a little confusing, but don't worry, in this video, I will explain everything step by step in a very simple way. You will learn how to deal with the strange equations where y is hide inside. Okay, right. And how to find how things change with time. Like what? A balloon growing or a ladder sliding. So grab your pen and notebook or take your iPad or tablet. Let's start the magic of implicit differentiation in calculus 1. Okay, before going to this, let me do something in this exercise. What is the differentiation of x square? It's 2x. You know very well, right? And what's the differentiation of x? It's 1 with respect to x. Again, I'm saying with respect to x. This is also with respect to x, right? Let's start with y. Okay, let's start with y. So if you want to differentiate y with respect to x, what you will get? Dy divided by dx. If you want to differentiate y square with respect to x, you're going to write 2y. If you stop here, you have done with respect to y only. But what's the question? You're going to differentiate with respect to x. So 2y dy by dx. Similarly, what's the differentiation of y cube with respect to x? With respect to x. If you write the answer 3y square, because 3y square, right? If you write the answer 3y square, right? So it means you are just stopped with y. But we are doing with respect to what? X. So 3y square dy by dx. Right? Let me start simple with product rule. Suppose you have a product rule. Okay. Let me give an example. X times y. So this is your u. This is your v. What's the rule? Product rule? U times v dash plus v times u dash. Right? So keep x. What is the differentiation of y with respect to x? Which is dy divided by dx. And keep y. What's the differentiation of x with respect to x? The differentiation of x is going to become what? 1. So this is the way we are going to differentiate with respect to x. So this is a simple logic you need to keep in your mind before starting this exercise, implicit differentiation. Clear, everybody? Right. So now let's start the differentiation questions. Okay, right. Let's go to the first question. Assuming that the equation determines a differentiable function f such that y equals f of x and find y dash. It means what? We are going to find the derivative of y. What is derivative of y? Which means dy by dx you are going to find out. If this is the equation. What is the equation? The equation is, right, 5x square minus xy minus 4y square equal to 0. Before going to this exercise, let me do the functions each and one in a separate way. What is the differentiation of 5x square? 10x. Right. What is the differentiation of xy? I told you keep x. Differentiation of y is what? Dy by dx plus keep y. Differentiation of x is what? 1. Right. So we are using what? Product rule here, right? Next we have a function 4y square. So what's the differentiation of 4y square? 8y. If you stop here, you have done with respect to y. So 8y dy by dx. Okay. So I told you the differentiation of 5x square. I told you the differentiation of xy. And I told you the differentiation of 4y square. Now let's start the problem. Okay. 5x square minus xy minus 4y square equal to 0. Let me start. So 5x square is what? Which is dy by dx 10x minus, here is a product rule, x times dy by dx, this one, plus y times derivative of x is what? 1. Close the bracket. Minus 8y dy by dx is equal to 0. What is our question? Our question is find y dash. Y dash means what? Derivative of y, which is dy by dx. So keep dy by dx one side, remaining everything to the other side. So let me write 10x minus times you multiply x dy by dx, and then this minus you take it inside, minus y minus 8y dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, right. So this is your dy by dx, this is your dy by dx, keep it this side. So minus dy by dx and minus 8y dy by dx, keep it this side. And this one take it to the other side, and this one take it to other side. If I take 10x, it will go other side as minus 10x. If I take minus y, it will go to the other side as plus y. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take dy by dx as common, amil mushtarak in Arabic. So you will get minus x, and here you will get minus 8y. This is equal to minus 10x plus y. What is my question? My question is to find dy by dx. So therefore, dy divided by dx is equal to minus 10x plus y divided by, this will come down, minus x minus 8y. So this is the answer, dy by dx. If you want, you can take minus as common and you can cancel it. But we are not going to proceed after this. So you can stop this as an answer. Any question? So very simple idea. Keep in your mind, the basic idea is y square you are taking as dy by dx. Sorry, y you are taking as dy by dx. Y square is 2y dy by dx. That's the main idea. Let's go to the next question. Assuming that the equation determines a differentiable function f such that y equals f of x, and find y dash. Y dash means what? You are going to find dy by dx. That means you are going to differentiate y with respect to x. Right. Let's go with the functions, right? What are the functions you have? Y square. What is the derivative of y square? 2y dy by dx. Okay. What's the derivative of 1? 0. Right. What's the derivative of x square secant y? This is as a product rule. This is u and this is v, right? This equals x square, you keep it. Derivative of secant y is what? Secant y tan y. If you stop here, you have done with respect to y only. But the question is what? You have to do with respect to x. So secant y tan y dy by dx plus keep secant y. Derivative of x square is what? 2x, right? So I told you all the things in a separate way. Let's start the question. So the question is y square plus 1 is equal to x square secant y. So now we are going to start the derivative, right? So y square is 2y dy by dx plus 1 derivative is 0 equals, this is a product, keep x square, secant square y derivative is, secant y derivative is secant y tan y times dy by dx, okay? And then plus, keep secant y, derivative of x square with respect to x is what? 2x. Okay, right. What is the question? Dy by dx. You have dy by dx here, you have dy by dx here also. Take everything one side. So 2y dy by dx. I bring this one this side. So it goes as minus x square secant y tan y dy by dx, all in products. This equals, this side you have secant y, right? Multiply by what? 2x. Better I write 2x in the front and then I write secant y because it's an angle. You cannot multiply. Keep in your mind. Okay? Right. Secant y multiplied by what? 2x. So this is secant y multiplied by 2x. This is an angle. So I keep this 2x in the front. So what is my dy by dx? So I'm going to take dy by dx as common, which is amil mushtarak, which is 2y minus x square secant y tan y. Close the bracket, is equal to 2x secant y. So now we are going to find out dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, you are going to divide 2x secant y divided by 2y minus x square secant y tan y. This is coming down because I'm dividing. So this is the answer, dy by dx. Clear all of you? Right. Very simple. Very, very simple. The basic idea should be clear. The next question is, find the slope of the tangent line. What do you mean by slope? Slope means m. M means what? Dy by dx. Of the tangent line to the graph. This is the equation. What is your equation? This is the one. Let's go to the solution, right? Okay. What is the solution? Y power 4 plus 3y minus 4x cube is equal to 5x plus 1. At the point P is 1 comma minus 2. Okay. Let me start. Y power 4 derivative is what? 4y cube dy by dx. Clear all of you? Right. And 3y derivative is what? 3 dy by dx. Y derivative is what? Dy by dx. Okay. 4x cube derivative is what? 3 comes here. 4 into 3 is what? 12x square. What is the derivative of 5x? Which is 5. What is the derivative of 1? 0. Okay. Right. So let's start the question now. Y power 4 plus 3y minus 4x cube is equal to 5x plus 1. Right. Y power 4 derivative is what? Just now I did it. You can see here. 4y cube dy by dx plus 3 times dy by dx minus 4 into 3 is how much? 12x square is equal to 5x derivative is 5 and 1 derivative is 0. All the things I did it here. You can check it out. One by one I did it here. Right. What is my question? I'm going to find the slope. Slope means what? Dy by dx. So let me find dy by dx. So take dy by dx, everything this side, remaining all that side. 4y cube dy by dx plus 3 dy by dx is equal to 5. This 12x square goes that side as 5 plus 12x square. Now I'm going to find dy by dx. Dy by dx, take it as common. And what is inside? 4y cube plus 3, which is equal to 5 plus 12x square. Now what I'm going to find out? I'm going to find out dy by dx. Okay. So dy by dx is equal to 5 plus 12x square divided by 4y cube plus 3. This is your slope m. But now they ask you slope is a number, right? So they are asking the slope at the point 1 comma minus 2. So dy by dx you are going to find at the point 1 comma minus 2. You put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2, which is equal to 5 plus 12 times 1 square divided by 4 into minus 2 cube plus 3, which is equal to, take your calculator all of you, press the fraction mode, right? Press the fraction mode and you will write 5 plus, okay, 12 times bracket 1 square is 1, okay, right? And divided by, which is 4 bracket open, minus 2 bracket close power 3, right? And then plus 3, okay, plus 3. So it's going to become minus 17 divided by 29. Minus 17 divided by what? 29. Right. This finishes your exercise 3.7. Very easy exercise. So keep in your mind, easy to study. Next is exercise 3.8. Next is what? Exercise 3.8. So 3.8, you should be careful with one more idea. What is that? I told you before, suppose you differentiate y square with respect to x. What is the answer? 2y dy by dx, right? Got it? Suppose I ask you y square, you do it with respect to t, I'm asking. What will be your answer? Same 2y dy by dt. Clear all of you? Right. The same idea, suppose you are differentiating x square with respect to x. What is the answer? 2x. Suppose you differentiate x square with respect to t. What is the answer? 2x dx by dt. This is very, very important. Keep in your mind. So x square, when you differentiate with respect to t, you will get 2x dx by dt. Okay, give one more example. X cube. When you differentiate with respect to t, you will get what? 3x square. This is up to x. You have done with respect to x. But question is what? With respect to t. So dx by dt. So this you have to remember. Okay. So let's go to the question. Assume that all variables are functions of t. Can you see the previous question? All the functions of variables are with respect to what? X. You can say that determines the differentiable with respect to the function what? Y equals f of x. Here with respect to what? With respect to t. Right. And what is the question given? The question given is a equals x square. What is the question? Find dA divided by dt is the question. And what is given? Dx by dt is equal to 3. This is the question. Underline. And x is equal to 10. Okay, right. So now let's start the question. So solution, right? So your a is what? X square. You are going to differentiate a with respect to what? T. So dA divided by dt. So this side you are going to differentiate with respect to what? T. Keep in your mind with respect to what? T. So x square derivative is what? 2x. If you stop here, you have done with respect to x. But what is the question? You are going to differentiate with respect to what? T. So you have to write dx by dt. Clear? Very easy. The logic is very, very important. So this equals 2 times, what is your x? Your x is 10. And what is your dx by dt? Which is 3. 2 times 10, I think no need calculator. 2 times 10 plus, which is equal to, right? 2 times 10, which is 20. 20 times 3, which is equal to 60 is your dA divided by dt. Okay, right. Let's go to the next question. Two variables x and y are functions of t. That's meaning what? Suppose you have x, you differentiate dx by dt. Suppose you have y, if you differentiate with respect to t, you get dy by dt. Suppose you have x square, you are differentiating with respect to t, 2x dx by dt. Suppose you have y square, you want to differentiate with respect to t, 2y dy by dt. What a lovely idea, you see. So when the two variables are functions of t, your differentiation takes the model like this. X differentiate dx by dt, y differentiate dy by dt, x square differentiate 2x dx by dt, y square differentiate 2y by dt. Can you see the difference? Suppose you do x with respect to x. What is the answer? 1. Remember? Suppose you want to differentiate x square with respect to x. What is the answer? 2x. So here totally different. Okay, understand? Right. Now, so and so related by the equation. So what is the equation? The equation is x cube minus 2y square minus 5x is equal to 16, right? Okay. So now what happens? We are going to do it. Just make a line, right? These are all some ideas. Oh, yes. Let me make a straight line so that you will not get disturbed, right? If dy by dt, so what is given? Dy by dt is given as 4. This is given 4. And when x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 is given. And y is equal to minus 1 is given. Okay, right? And find the corresponding value of dx by dt. So dx by dt is the question mark. Very simple. Same idea. Okay. Before going to this question, I will ask you, what is the derivative of x cube with respect to t? What is x cube derivative? 3x square. When you stop this, you have done with respect to x. But they are asking what? With respect to t. So dx by dt. This is the first one. Right. When you do with 2y square, what's the derivative of 2y square with respect to t? 4y dy by dt. Okay. When you differentiate 5x with respect to t, 5x, if you do with respect to t, 5, derivative of x is 1 and then dx by dt. Okay, with respect to t. Right, let's start the solution. So x cube derivative is 3x square dx by dt. Again I'm telling, Variables are what? Functions of variables t. Minus 4y dy by dt minus 5 dx by dt is equal to derivative of 16 is what? 0. Whatever variable you do constant, it becomes what? 0. Keep in your mind. So what is the question? Your question is find dx by dt. So dx by dt you collect it. So 3x square dx by dt and minus 5 dx by dt, which is equal to, take this one to the other side. What is this one? This is 4y dy by dt to the other side. So take dx by dt as common. You will get 3x square minus 5 is equal to 4y dy by dt. Okay. Now dx by dt is equal to 4y dy by dt divided by 3x square minus 5. You are going to put all the values. How much dy by dt? Dy by dt is 4. Okay. And y is equal to minus 1. Okay. And x is equal to 2. Okay. Right. That's it. So this equals 4 times minus 1 times 4. Okay. Divided by 3 times 2 square minus 5. So let me calculate these values. Fraction mode. Minus 4 times 4 divided by 3 times 2 square. Okay. Minus 5 is equal to minus 16 divided by 7 is your answer. Understand? Clear all of you? Right? It's very easy. You need to know what is the functions of variable. Whether we are differentiating with respect to t or we are differentiating with respect to what? X. You need to be very, very careful. Okay? Right. Let's go to the next ladder problem. Right? I know you find it difficult at the time in the class. It's okay. It's very easy. Let me do it. Okay. A ladder 20 feet long. Okay. So ladder means what? This is the wall. For example, let me write this is the wall. And this is your x-axis. And this is your y-axis. Actually, this is the ground, right? Yes. So normally the ladder will be like this, right? So the ladder is 20 feet long. So what is given? Ladder length is equal to 20 feet long. Okay. Or 20. Just say. We are not worried about the units. Leans means just in the slanting way it's there. Leans against a vertical building. This is the building. So I can write instead of wall, I can write it as building. So this is the building. Okay. This is the building. Right. And if the bottom of the ladder slide away from the building horizontally at the rate means what? Derivative. 2 feet. Rate means what? Derivative. Keep in your mind. So horizontally means what? X direction. X derivative. So it means what is given? Dx by dt is equal to 2 feet per second. Okay. How fast? How fast the ladder is sliding down? How fast the ladder is sliding down the building when the top of the ladder is 12 feet. This is the top of the ladder. Okay. So y is equal to how much? 12. Right? Y is equal to what? 12. When the top of the ladder is 12 feet. So y is equal to 12. So it's keep moving from the building. So the changes are happening where? The changes are happening in the y direction. Okay. So it means we are going to find out dy by dt. This is the question. Right? So what is x? X means the distance. You are very well. X is the distance from wall. X is the distance from the wall to ladder base. You can say like that. To the ladder base. And what is y? Your y is height of ladder top. Y is what? Height of the ladder top. You can say height of the ladder top. Simple English. So let's use Pythagoras theorem. So this is your x and this is your y. So what's your Pythagoras theorem? X square plus y square is equal to what? 20 square. Right. X square plus y square is equal to 20 square. So now we need to find x, right? So y, I know the values, how much it is given y? y is equal to what? 12. So which is 12 square, y is given. And x square I don't know. And this is equal to 20 square. So x square equals 20 square minus 12 square. I am putting in the calculator, which is 20 square, okay, and then minus 12 square, which is equal to 256. So x square equals 256. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take x equals plus or minus square root of 256. What is square root of 256? Answer square root plus or minus 16. Of course, x is the distance of the ground. So negative 16 cannot be possible. So x is equal to how much? 16. So again I will write the values. What are the values which is available? The values which is available is what? We have ladder length, which is how much? 20 feet. Dx by dt how much? 2 feet. We have dx by dt is 2. And we have y is how much? We have 12. Okay. Just now we calculated x. How much? 16. So let me take the same equation. X square plus y square is equal to how much? 20 square, which is how much? 400. 20 square, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to differentiate this one. I am going to differentiate this one with respect to what? T, because the ladder will be keep sliding down based on what? Time t. Okay. So what is the derivative of x square with respect to t derivative? You will get 2x dx by dt. What is the y square with respect to t? 2y dy by dt. Right? Okay. So x square is 2x dx by dt. Y square is what? 2y dy by dt, which is equal to 20 square is what? Derivative of constant 20 square with respect to t is what? 0. Right. So let me put all the values. Dx by dt is what? 2. And x value is what? 16. Right. And y value is what? 12. Okay. And dy by dt is the question mark. Okay. Right. Let's start. So this equals 2 times 16 times 2 plus 2 times 12 times dy by dt is equal to 0. Right. 216 is 32. 32 2 is how much? 64. Right. And let me bring everything to the other side so that you will find it easy. Dy by dt is equal to and minus 216 2 divided by, because this is plus, this is product, 2 times 12. Okay. Right. So this equals, let fraction mode, sorry, 2 multiply 16 multiply 2 divided by 2 multiply 12, which is equal to 8 divided by 3. So dy by dt is equal to minus 8 divided by 3, which is of course feet divided by seconds, because derivative, right? Yes. So derivative means you should put per seconds, right? So this finishes your exercise 3.8. Okay, right. Thank you for watching my video, right? I will put this PDF in the first comment as well as in the description box. Please download this and try to use it. If you really understand this video, please give a like and thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Okay. Thank you so much once again. Take care. Bye bye. Very soon I will try to upload the remaining chapters.